Hello traders, I hope you're doing well. This is the analysis for Forex. Again, we have seen today that the DXY has gotten stronger due to the piece of news revealed from Bank of England about the interest rates. And it was seen that still in the future, people could be more hopeful about United States dollar, which would have better interest rates, and it has a brighter future. And after that, oh my God, phenomenon happened. All right, but I expected last day, and I told you that I might see for some days trading range. Okay, you can see the trading range between this support zone and this resistance zone, and you can see we have DXY and consolidating. The price is moving between these two zones. But what I expect for tomorrow, again the rest of the trading range. But if we have another, you should have, okay, let me tell you something. You should have different scenarios for your trades. All right, the first scenario is when we have breakout. Okay, after that we will see a stronger dollar in the world and United States dollar, and we can buy USD, I don't know, CAD, USD, JPY, USD, whatever. Okay, and then if we have weaker dollar, so we can buy and sell to see how the market is moving. All right, and you should just move according to the movement of market. This is the way you should do. Okay, we start with euro dollar. I told you, and I expected days ago, I told you that we might have trading range here. Some people say, okay, we had breakout of this zone, and you said that we have trading range in this zone. I say no problem at all, because we are still in a trading range. You might ask how. I say sometimes in trading range we have higher highs, lower lows, but we don't have this kind of trend. Okay, but I have updated my chart for you, and then you can update your chart like me. And what you have right now is this trend line, which is very valuable and trustable at the same time. And this trend line, it is something like a wedge, and you can draw it for yourself, and you can see the prices moving in this downtrend channel. But what I expect for maybe tomorrow would be just trading range like this. And if we have breakout, it's more probable that we have breakout from the bottom side, and we will see these zones. And after that, we have some reaction from this zone, maybe toward the top line of the channel. All right, it was my analysis, even though it is not financial advice for anyone here. Great British pound, poor pound today. After the news, it was weaker, and it got weaker. We might see somehow, green candle right now here, and we might see that tomorrow we have a movement toward this zone, which could be a pullback. Then after just hitting this area and this zone, we could back to the other zone I have determined for you before, due to being a kind of historical for Great British Pound. If we have any breakout from this zone tomorrow, I will let you know in my analysis. But maybe it's soon to judge. Maybe it takes time to have breakout of this zone. It might be next week, I suppose. The next one, USD JPY. Can you remember? I have drawn kind of trend line for you here. Yeah, in my previous presentation, in my previous analysis, I have drawn this one. I told you that here acts as a great resistance because it's the midline of the channel and this dynamic resistance. Now you can update it and make it like this, and you have these two zones right now, and you should see if we have breakout of the midline and this zone, which is somehow probable because the United States dollar is getting stronger. So we might see this zone again, 131 and then 132, 3, and it's moving in this channel, and you can have the same channel I have right now like this. You can just pause the video and draw the same channel for yourself to understand how to trade for the following hours or maybe days. All right. Tomorrow is an important day again because we have some, important data from economy of the United States. So we should be careful again. Canadian dollar and USD, like other, currencies, had just very bad day for Canadian dollar, but good for United States dollar. What I see here is a real I don't know, trading range. Okay, can you see the trading range? No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and again we might have a kind of support at this zone, and this zone is important for us. Maybe we have another reaction. I will update it because I don't need this one. Now it's a better chart, and I don't need this one, and I don't need this one. What I guess for tomorrow would be again the rest of the trend like this, and if we have any other trend, it would be bearish and just watching these zones, and this zone is very powerful one, and we should see that we are going to have breakout or not, because there is a because. Listen, Canadian dollar and US dollar are somehow connected in economy together. If we have a growth in the United States, Canadian dollar and Canada is getting more powerful because they have import and export from each other, and they have a great bond in economy. So that's why I say I see that improbable to have breakout for 1 or 2 days later. We might have it, but takes time. All right, the other one, USD AUD. These days we have, very, very, I don't know, not a smooth market, and everything is sharp, and it's just because of inflation in the world. All right, and you can see we had this channel, okay, last night, yesterday, last night, I don't know, whatever you call it, after the Federal Reserve meeting, the breakout happened, and we see that this one is again acted as a resistance. What I guess would be trading range between these two lines. Okay, I will update my, yeah, it's more, it's lovelier. At the same time, you can delete this one, and we might see that if we have any breakout or not, but what I think is the trading range for some days between these two zones until the market makers decide, or until we have any strange, piece of news from these two countries, either Australia or the United States. That's it all, ladies and gentlemen. One more time, I want to thank you, and I hope you enjoyed everything. I try to do my best and just post my analysis every day for you, to let you know about the market. And the thing I want you is just sharing these videos with your friends if you enjoyed, and uh, I don't know, encourage them to subscribe and just comment and like and whatever you think that sends me a positive energy. Thank you one more time. Have a great time, and bye.